Said, there's a piece that I wrote today, and it's untitled. I just went off the top of my head. As I stated at the last Storytellers, if at any point it gets to where we begin to have a conversation about pieces and things of that nature, then just let it flow. If you feel some type of way about it and you're like, hold up, don't leave the mic because I feel so and so and so, speak your mind, we can talk about it. If you're in agreement with me, then it's all good. This is untitled. Democracy prevailed. We have elected our first multiracial president. In a country that used slavery as a way to build our capital, the doors to the White House will now have a deeper, darker shade walking through it. Never have I seen black people so proud, so happy, so full of life. So what? So what? So what if we did elect a man that looks like us? What if he does speak to our peace and acceptance of all people? So what if he gives us hope and we believe that the world will change? My question to you is, what will you do? Black people today are good for liking a great idea. The question is, will you help it? You found yourself casting a ballot for change on the 4th of November. But did you remember that the man you voted for stated himself that he can't do it alone? Only 2 weeks have passed and already some of you have gone back to hating your fellow man. Typical. You took your hopes, your worries, your pride, and your love, and you placed it on his shoulders. You've passed the buck and assumed that this one man will do it all for you. You have set yourself up to be disappointed, and disappointed you will be. Unless black people today remember that our ancestors did everything they could to get us to this point, nothing will ever change. So climb down from the tree and untie the noose. This time, instead of destroying ourselves as we often do, let's make President Obama proud. But more importantly, let's make ourselves proud. The world will never be the same. And why should it? For good or bad. Be the best person you can be, and you'll see the change that you have believed in. Be peace.
All right.